Hi, I'm Eric Liu. I'm the IT intern here at Essex Industries.
Hey, I'm Edis, and I'm the Information Systems intern here at Essex. I've had the chance to take on a variety of tasks that help streamline internal operations and support teams across the company. My work focuses on keeping our internal systems organized, accessible, and compliant. A lot of what I do lives behind the scenes, but it directly impacts how smoothly things run for everyone. One of the projects I'm proudest of was configuring our workflow system to make sure the right teams get notified when production documents are due for review. Another big part of my role has been onboarding. I've worked closely with Eric, the IT intern, to make sure new users get up and running quickly with the right access and tools from day one.
My role in the onboarding is to help the new hires set up their new devices and also set up their desks with peripherals. Some of my daily tasks consist of fixing hardware and software issues, managing user accounts, and setting up new equipment. Being a part of my IT team has helped me learn how to interact and work in a company environment. I have learned very valuable skills that I could never learn from a book or a classroom. One of my personal projects that I want to accomplish before the end of my internship is to help every intern at least once, because I want to help my peers to be as efficient and productive as possible.